Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Wish to do a full room tour of a Category 9B Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom. This category does sleep up to 4 adults, but this particular room sleeps up to 3.
Now, if it did sleep 4, it would have an extra upper berth right above the couch, just like most of the other staterooms have. And if you do need that, of course, if you're booking for 4 people, that's going to be the only option it lets you book online.
Let's go check it out.
So we first come into the room. Over on the right-hand side, we have our closet space. There's 3 doors. Inside the first one, you've got your closet rod with a couple Disney Cruise Line robes there. A little bit of storage up above that and some space down below for your luggage. And then in the middle section, you've got some shelves, and you'll also find your in-room safe here. There's a few life jackets there and lots of storage space throughout. There's also the laundry bag if you'd like to send out for laundry service. And then inside the third portion of the closet here, we've got additional hanging space, more life jackets, and then more storage space down below for your luggage. The bathrooms in this room are a split bathroom layout. We've got 2 different sections. The first half is where you're going to find your toilet and a sink. You've got a decent sized little vanity here, not a ton of counter space. You have the H2O hand soap in here, the liquid soap, a lighted mirror, and a couple little shelves here on the wall. There's also additional storage space down below the sink, and you can see the orange light. That is actually a night light that has its own switch on the wall. A very nice addition here on the Wish. And then you have a couple additional small shelves over there on the wall and a couple hooks on the wall for hanging towels or robes. And then in the other half of the bathroom, you'll find your shower and tub, as well as 1 additional sink. On the back of the door here, we have our full-length mirror for this room. And then our vanity is a little bit smaller than the one in the other bathroom, but you have a little bit more counter space. There is some storage down below that, and again, shelves over on the wall where you'll find some lotion as well as a few washcloths and a makeup towel. You've got another one of those lighted mirrors, and then our tub here has a glass door. This does swing in or out, whichever one you want to do. You've got a single shower head in here that is a detachable shower head. You've got some shelves on the wall, and one of those has your refillable shampoo, conditioner, and body wash on it. And as we head into the rest of the room here, you can see the bed is a queen-size bed. It is raised up off the ground, so you've got some storage space down below there. You've got a bed runner on the end that has the Disney Wish logo, as well as the Disney Cruise Line logo on it. And at the foot of the bed is where you're going to find your TV for this room. It does not swivel. It is mounted flush to the wall here, so you can't angle it over towards the other half of the room where the couch is. It's one minor detail that we noticed in these rooms. It's a little bit odd. We also have a connecting door over here to the right of the TV for our stateroom next door. And then above the bed, we have some artwork there that is Cinderella themed. We've got the sparkly magic lights and stars all over it there. You can see that there's a small spotlight in the ceiling shining on that, and that is controlled independently. We've got a little nightstand on this side of the bed with a drawer. You also have 2 USB outlets and a 220 outlet, a small little reading light, and then your lamp that has the little Mickey head on it. On the other side of the bed, we have the same setup with the little nightstand and the drawer and the 2 lamps, but our outlets are different. We have 2 regular outlets. We have a couple USBs and a single USB-C as well. There's a curtain that you can use to divide the room in half if you'd like. It does a pretty good job blocking out the light on this half of the room. On the other half of the room, you can see we have a couch there that does fold down into a twin-size bed. Only 3 in this room, so they don't have that pull-down upper berth in this particular room. There's a small table there that slides underneath the couch to kind of keep it out of the way, which is great. And then you have some Cinderella artwork there on the wall with Fairy Godmother turning the pumpkin into a coach for her. Across from the couch, we have our dresser area. There's a lot of shelving on the wall for storage there, but there's not a lot of drawers here in this room. You can see we've got our in-room phone there right next to the lighted mirror. There is a small little cubby at the bottom where your trash can is, a little stool there to sit on, and then this drawer is where you're going to find your paperwork. You have note cards and postcards and things to order room service, and the drawer right next to it is where you're going to find your hair dryer for the room. Now the hair dryer does plug into a 220 outlet, and the 220 outlet is right up here, and it also has a couple USB outlets on it, so you've got that right there, and there's additional outlets above that with 2 USB and a USB-C. There's 2 other drawers here in the room. The larger of the 2 is actually your mini fridge. So you've got a pull-out mini fridge drawer instead of a traditional mini fridge in these rooms. And then the ocean view part of this room we have our porthole. Because we are on a lower deck, we do have a smaller porthole. I don't know if I'd be sitting in there as an adult, but kids could probably definitely sit up there. You got a great view. We're right here on deck 2, looking out at currently Port Canaveral, and I think this would be a great place to be when we're out at sea. And that's going to conclude our tour of this Category 9B Deluxe Oceanview Stateroom here on the Disney Wish.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out our channel for tons of other room tours. We've got almost every category here on the Disney Wish, other Disney cruise ships, and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
We're here with the ears.